In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect Bluetooth headphones or speakers to your Roku TV or Roku streaming device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do is begin on this Roku home screen right here and scroll all the way down, and you're going to see settings on here. Once you go ahead and get on your settings, open it up, and then from here, go to remotes and devices. If you scroll over to the left, you're going to see an option that says Bluetooth headphones and speakers. Go ahead and select that and then hit add a new Bluetooth audio device. From here, your Roku will start searching for nearby devices. So what you're going to want to do is put those Bluetooth headphones in pairing mode. On many headphones, you could do this just by pressing and holding down the power button, but your device may have a separate pairing button depending on the model. So keep that in mind. It's going to be different per device. But essentially, whenever you see your headphones appear on the screen, go ahead and select them using your Roku remote. And after a few seconds, you should see a message up in the top right corner confirming that your device is connected. And from here, you're able to back out and be good to go. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and connect Bluetooth headphones or speakers to your Roku TV. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.